Customers often ask us, how do I get my hydrangeas to bloom reliably? Last year they were beautiful, and this year I haven't had a single blossom. It's a common problem with several possible causes. If your hydrangeas performed well in previous years, which means they're planted where conditions are favorable, here's what to consider. If you prune hydrangeas at the wrong time of year, you risk lopping off buds before they bloom. Different types of hydrangeas form blooms at different times of the year, so pruning must be adjusted accordingly. Hydrangeas that bloom in spring or early summer form buds on canes that developed the previous year. They should be pruned right after they finish blooming, before new buds develop. The main hydrangeas in this category are big leaf hydrangeas, also known as Hydrangea macrophylla, and oak leaf hydrangeas, also known as Hydrangea quercifolia. Hydrangeas that bloom in mid to late summer form buds on new wood the same year they bloom. These varieties should be pruned in late winter or early spring before new growth starts. Hydrangeas that fall in this category are smooth hydrangeas, also known as Hydrangea arborescens, and panicled hydrangeas, also known as Hydrangea paniculata. For more help determining which type of hydrangeas you have, see the link below. Hydrangeas that bloom on old wood, such as big leaf and oak leaf hydrangeas, are especially at risk for winter damage. Extreme cold or ice can destroy buds that are awaiting bloom the following year. Even varieties that bloom in late summer can suffer the same fate if there's a late spring freeze. To prevent winter damage, protect hydrangeas during the coldest months by wrapping them in burlap or frost cloth, especially if you live in growing zone 6 or lower. Dryness can make hydrangeas even more susceptible to winter damage. Water them deeply in the fall, just before they go dormant for the season. Hydrangeas rank high on the list of deer favorites, and buds are the first part they tend to chop off. The solution is easy. Protect hydrangeas year-round by spraying them with #1 rated Bob-X deer repellent. It's safe, long-lasting, won't wash off, and is 100% guaranteed. You can apply it anytime the temperature is between 35 and 85 degrees. Hydrangeas need constant moisture, but don't like prolonged periods in soaking wet soil. For established plants, aim for about 1 inch of water per week from either rainfall or supplemental watering. New plants without established root systems will need more frequent waterings. Hydrangeas are not drought tolerant, so give them some extra TLC during periods of hot, dry weather. If your hydrangeas produce lush growth but not blooms, they could be getting too much nitrogen, which promotes foliage growth, and not enough phosphorus, which is needed to form blooms. Even if you don't fertilize your hydrangeas at all, they could be getting a heavy diet of nitrogen from runoff from nearby grass fertilizer. Use a slow-release fertilizer with the middle number, which is phosphorus, the same or higher than the first number, which is nitrogen. Fertilize in early spring as growth begins, and stop fertilizing in August. Hydrangeas produce beautiful showy blooms that make fabulous bouquets, either fresh or dried. Learn what type you have, pay attention to their particular needs, and they'll reward you with a glorious display year after year. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.